Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Kausar Vice, and this is the continuation video of depreciation accounting. You can find the playlist link in the description box to get the entire collections. Now, in this video, we are going to see insurance policy method and the methods of providing depreciation. Now, let's get into the video. Before we see the problem, let us try to understand what is insurance policy method under depreciation accounting. Okay, see, under this method, a policy is taken for the amount of asset to be replaced. Okay, because after the life of the asset, we need huge money to replace. Okay, so at the end of the policy period, a definite amount is received from the insurance company, which is used for purchasing new asset. That is the intention of maintaining this particular method, that is insurance policy method. Again, premium is paid every year and the premium amount is equal to amount of depreciation every year. Again, I repeat, depreciation amount is equal to insurance premium amount. Okay, so in the beginning of the year, premium is paid and end of the year you have to charge depreciation. Now let's see one numerical problem for better understanding. See the problem. ABC Company Limited purchased a lease of rupees 52,000 on 1st January 2018 to be replaced at the end of 5 years. For this purpose, one insurance policy is taken out for which the annual premium is 10,000 rupees. Okay, I told you no, the annual premium amount is equal to amount of depreciation every year. At the end of the period, the lease is renewed for 50,000. That is, after 5 years, at the end of the period, the lease is renewed for 50,000. With this information, they're asking you to show the various ledger accounts in the books of the company. Okay, here we need to prepare three important ledgers. Number one, lease account. Number two, depreciation insurance policy account, because every year we have to pay premium amount. No, to record this transaction, we need to have depreciation insurance policy account. Okay, number three is depreciation reserve account. So depreciation reserve account is required to record the depreciation amount. Okay, so for each and every year we have to transfer these transactions into three different ledgers. Now let's see the solution. Look at the first one, lease account. Okay, so what is the first transaction? We purchased lease for 52,000. Okay, so entry for the transaction is lease account debit to bank account. This is the ledger. Okay, so on 1/1/2018 to bank 52,000 and end of the year, that is on 31st December 2018, the balancing amount is 52,000 by balance carried down, and this will be the opening balance for next year. Again, end of the second year, same value, and this will be the opening balance for next year. In the same way, just transfer this amount till the last year. So last year, the 52,000 amount will be transferred to depreciation reserve account. Okay, there will be no change in the lease account. Okay, from the beginning to till the end, there will be no changes. After the fifth year, okay, this amount will be transferred to depreciation reserve account. Okay, that's all. Now let's see the second one. See the second one, depreciation insurance policy account. See, we have taken insurance policy in order to replace the asset at the end of the fifth year. What is the value of the asset? See the problem. The value of the lease is 52,000. Okay, so you have taken policy for this amount and the premium amount is 10,000 rupees. Okay, the premium amount is equal to depreciation amount. Okay, now see the solution. See, first year on 1/1/2018, premium paid. Entry, depreciation insurance policy account debit to bank account, 10,000 rupees. Okay, and at the end of the year, this is the balancing figure. Closing balance 10,000, and this will be the opening balance for next year. Again, in the second year, you have paid insurance premium amount. How much? Same 10,000 rupees. Now the total amount 20,000. So this is the closing balance and this will be the opening balance for third year. Again third year on 1/1/2020, premium amount paid 10,000 rupees. So total 30,000 rupees. So 30,000 by balance carried out and this will be the opening balance for fourth year. Again fourth year premium amount 10,000 paid. So now 40,000 so far you have paid. So closing balance 40,000. This will be the opening balance for fifth year. Again fifth year 10,000 rupees premium paid. Now after the 5 years, end of the fifth year, you are going to receive policy amount from insurance company. Okay. So what will be the entry? Reverse entry. Okay. So entry for the transaction is bank account debit to depreciation insurance policy account on 31st December 2022 by bank. How much you are going to receive? The asset value. How much? 52,000. Okay, now we can get the total. So here we have 52,000, but debit side only 50,000. So far we have paid 50,000, but we are going to receive 52,000 from insurance policy. So the benefit is 2,000 rupees. No. So this profit transferred to depreciation reserve account. Okay. On 31st December 2022 to depreciation reserve account. That is a profit on realization of policy. So this amount will be transferred to depreciation reserve account. 52,000. 52,000. So already we have prepared lease account. End of the fifth year, the lease amount is transferred to depreciation reserve account, right? Okay, here also we have transferred the profit to depreciation reserve account. And finally, you have to prepare depreciation reserve account. Okay, see the last one, depreciation reserve account. Okay, so every year you have to calculate depreciation. No, that depreciation amount transferred to profit and loss account every year. Okay, so entry for the transaction is profit and loss account debit to depreciation reserve account. You have to post it into this ledger. So end of the year 31st December 2018 first year by profit and loss account how much? 10,000 rupees. Okay, and this will be the closing balance for the first year and this will be the opening balance for the next year. Okay, by balance brought down 10,000. Again at the end of the second year transfer entry, that is depreciation amount transferred to profit and loss account 10,000, same amount 10,000 rupees. Now total 20,000 rupees closing balance and this will be the opening balance for next year. Again third year 10,000 rupees depreciation reserve transferred to profit and loss account and now total 30,000. Then this is the closing balance and this will be the opening balance for the next year, that is fourth year. Again fourth year 10,000 rupees transferred to P&L account and now total amount how much? 40,000 rupees and this will be the opening balance for next year. Again at the end of the fifth year, last year you have charged 10,000 rupees depreciation transferred to profit and loss account, totally 50,000. Now already we have prepared two ledgers. No, the total amount, the balancing figure we have transferred to depreciation reserve account. Now let's see lease account. Look at the lease account. So in the lease account, we have got 52,000 at the end of the fifth year. The same amount is transferred to depreciation reserve account. Now we have to enter this in depreciation reserve account. Say in the depreciation reserve account, debit side to lease account at the end of the last year. How much? 52,000. Now see the depreciation policy account. Say depreciation insurance policy account, we have got 2,000 rupees profit. No, profit on realization of policy. So this amount need to be transferred to depreciation reserve account. Okay. Say in the depreciation reserve account at the end of the year we need to transfer the 2,000 rupees. That is by depreciation insurance policy account. How much? 2,000 rupees. That's all. So there will be no balancing figure at the end of the year. 52,000, 52,000. That's all. This is the method to record depreciation under insurance policy method. Okay, please check the description box to get the link for entire collection. Hope you like this video. Please hit the like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.